This is the moment a Tatarstan Airlines plane crashed in a ball of fire as it hit the runway of Kazan airport, killing all 50 people on board. This shocking footage is from CCTV and shows the explosion as the plane makes impact. Officials say the Boeing 737 airliner that had taken off from Moscow an hour earlier had been attempting to land for a second time when it lost altitude and hit the runway. Among the dead is the son of the president of Tatarstan, as well as a British national in Russia on business. An investigative committee spokesman said agencies were working around the clock to identify victims and determine the cause of the devastating crash.